For today's video, I'll show you a simple trick on how to enable background downloads in Telegram. Before we jump into this quick tutorial, tap the link in the description below to follow along. And let's get started. First, open Telegram and go to the Settings section. Once you're in Settings, look for Data and Storage. Click on it to open the additional settings available in Telegram. Here, you can control which types of media Telegram downloads automatically. You may see separate settings for private chats, group chats, and channels. If you want Telegram to automatically download files in the background, make sure the media types you need are enabled. You can usually control photos, videos, and files separately. If you regularly work with larger files, you can adjust the limit to better match the type of content you normally receive. Telegram can continue processing downloads while you're using the application, so you don't necessarily need to stay inside the same conversation while the file is downloading. Once these settings are configured, downloading files becomes much more convenient, especially if you regularly receive large videos, documents, or other media. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.